Hi guys, so this is the affordability demo. So what it's trying to show is taking a PDF and extracting all the transactions out of it and then categorizing into either income or expense. I'm going to start with a set of 3 PDFs. That's typically what you're going to be doing for an affordability test. It's taking 3 months. And let's just actually open one of them just to have a look at what's in there. So this is just now in my Acrobat reader. This is a bank statement from the 1st of January to the 31st of January 2017. And you can see here, these are the transactions that we're looking for: date, description, amount, balance. So when I now import those 3 statements, you'll see those transactions we looked at will feed through. They've been sent up to the server here, and then they are being returned to this application and drawn in this grid down at the bottom here. I'm just going to scroll down. So here we have all those transactions. So there was that balance brought forward that we just saw in the PDF. The next thing to do now is to look through all of these and categorize each row into either income or expense. And this app, the way it's set up at the moment, it's going to, every time I select a row, it will currently classify it as income. Otherwise I can change it to expense. But so you can do things like this. But obviously we need to look through and find the regular expenses. So in my case, all of my regular payments are paid by direct debit. So and I have an ABSA account. They happen to tag all the transactions with the description saying direct debit. So I'm going to use this filter thing here to have a look for direct deb, and what that's doing is filtering down all the transactions here to match this text. And so all of these ones are now direct debit transactions. I'm going to classify all of those as expense. And I'm going to get rid of the filter, so we're back to the full list. So now you can just see the ones that had direct debit have been tagged as expenses. And at the bottom here, it's adding up on a month-by-month basis the sum of all of those expenses that happened to occur in each of these months. Finally, the income, I'm going to arrange in a descending order. There are the 3 salary items I had from January, February, and March. And again, it's adding it up here to work out your net income. So that is, these figures here are ultimately what your back office is currently doing in order to work out affordability. Now, where this is going to go, I'm just going to undo all of those categorizations. As we get better and we get more data, we're going to be able to develop machine learning algorithms which will try and auto-categorize all of the income and expenses automatically. And as this is still a work in progress, you can see all it's done is a very simple algorithm. It's just taken all the positive ones. So you've got things like bonus interest and credit interest, which probably should not be included as income. Okay, so that's it for the demo. This is a working product right now, but it is a demo, and we can tidy it up and you can start using it in your back office. And where we'd like to get to is to feed the data back, all of those manual classifications, so that we can build the model, and hopefully then this will become less of a tedious job. All right, cheers.